Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about some summer lovin', some summer beauty products that I can't live without. I keep with me all summer. I travel with them and everything. We're also going to discuss some fashion finds that I picked up this summer that I am loving, and I just feel like you guys will too. So if you are excited about that little list, then keep watching. So where to start? If I had to pick one thing that was like my summer must-have, number one favorite thing from this list today, it would probably be my Desi Perkins high-key sunglasses, the original gold pair. These babies are just amazing. I mean, look at them. You put them on and you're instantly like, I am a boss. I feel like these give you a confidence booster. I have always been a fan of oversized sunglasses. You know, that whole Ashley, the Olsen twins wearing those massive sunglasses on their little bitty faces. Always been a fan of the oversized sunglasses, and these are my favorite ever. I don't know, there's just something about these classic glasses. They've been around forever, but they are definitely a summer must-have for me. Hang on, I gotta put these on again. Are these not the best? But wait, there's more. So the gold were my favorite, and then she had to come out with 100,000 pairs of these. And so I picked up a new pair this summer, and that is her black fade rimless. And then there's these. So if I had to pick one thing this summer that was my must-have favorite thing I bought, would be my Desi Perkins and the Key brand sunglasses. These are their high keys, and these are the black fade rimless. The other one is their original gold pair, which is kind of like a rose gold lens with a gold frame, where these are a gold frame with a black fade rimless frame, I guess is how you'd say it. But I'm gonna have all the details and links down below. I feel a little funny talking with glasses on, for you guys to pick these up. The other cool thing is that they all come with a carrying case, they come with a cloth to clean them, all the extras. And this definitely isn't a part of my summer must-haves, but I have it right here, so I might as well show you guys. My husband keeps these lens wipes close by, and when you have these fun mirrored lenses, any fingerprint, any dust, anything just doesn't look so hot. So you can grab these in like a huge pack, probably on Amazon. We buy everything off Amazon, and they clean them instantly and make them look spotless. Just a little extra for you. Okay, since we're discussing kind of beauty fashion things, let's go on to my Windsor earrings. So I got these super sexy gold earrings. They look like J-Lo. They look like Miami. I wore these in one of my recent videos. These guys, I can see because there's still the tag on it, were only $10.90 at Windsor. I love Windsor. If you haven't checked them out, if there's not one local by you, there's one close to me, but they have an online store too, and they just have great stuff. These were totally fashionable, totally trendy for this year. Really loved them, super cute. Let's keep going with the gold theme and show you guys these, which are my gold wedges, also from Windsor. So I've actually never worn a wedge before. I am a stiletto high heel wearing girl, but I snagged this pair this summer and I'm obsessed. Number one, this strap here is the comfiest thing ever. They're like foam. These straps are so comfy, and I love that the wedge itself has gold on it too. I love the gold bling bling, obviously. Look at this necklace. These were cute, classy. You could totally wear this with just jeans and a t-shirt and dress it down, or they're definitely fancy enough to wear with a summer dress and wear it to an event. And let me tell you, they're so comfy. Like I said, I've actually never worn a wedge before, as crazy as that is. So this was my first pair, and I don't know if it's just this pair, but this wedge is so comfortable. I've worn them for over 8 hours standing straight. These would be great for a summer wedding. If you have a fall wedding coming up, they would still be great, but you should definitely snag these. I'm sure they were a great price too, because they're also from Windsor, but again, I'll have all the details down below. Something I found while traveling this summer are these L. Erickson ponytail holders. So I was in a gift shop in Rosemary Beach, Florida, and look how pretty this one is. I mean, they were already sparkly and giving me all the bronze goddess vibes from a ponytail holder, but my sister-in-law told me that they were the best. You can kind of tell them apart from others because they have this little bead on them, but these are the L. Erickson ponytail holders, and I did some research for you guys and found out that you can get them from Nordstrom, and of course there's an Amazon link too, so I'm going to put all that info down below. Of course the greatest ponytail holder would be at Nordstrom, but they're awesome because I have thick hair and a lot of times you can't get them to be stretchy enough to wrap around thick hair. But these are incredible because they're very stretchy and they do an amazing job, but I can also only wrap them around my hair twice and somehow it still holds really well without giving me a headache. They also don't leave creases in my hair. Every creaseless ponytail holder out there has always left a crease in my hair and these guys don't. Don't know how they do it, but they do a really good job. I'm obsessed. They give me volume too. Once you get it in there, they hold the hair like so well that it gives me like extra volume, and my ponytails and my half up looks, they're just a fave. These are again are the L. Erickson ponytail holders. Next, we're gonna move on to skin. And I'm gonna start off by talking about a tried and true fave. And that is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Dry Skin Therapy, basically lotion. This is way too long to read to you guys, but this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. This is my fave. So this is something that was passed down from my mother to me. I didn't know it. I always thought I had super tough skin and that nothing bothered it, but as I've gotten older, I realized that my skin is a little more sensitive than I thought, especially after shaving my legs. And I don't know about you guys, but I shave my legs like every single day in the summer. So this guy is so sensitive though that it doesn't ever irritate my skin. Huge fan of that. Also, it is so rich. It feels so good going on. It's also so inexpensive. It smells like chocolate. I mean, your skin is going to smell delicious and edible after this. Another reason why it's my favorite. And it is great for stretch marks. It's great for any kind of dry skin issues, but it's also great for sunburns. So we found that out one rough trip in Florida, but this is awesome for sunburns. We bring this with us every time we travel somewhere, not only to keep our skin glowy and hydrated, but it really does help with any kind of sun irritation or sunburns and helps it turn it into a really pretty tan. Sticking with the skin and the legs and all things summer, I can't live without the Bikini Zone Anti-Bumps Shave Gel. So this I have used for over 10 years. A tiny bit of this goes a long way. It really is everything it claims it to be. It does an amazing job. It really does help calm down any irritation in my skin. You use this instead of a shaving cream, but it just does an awesome job. You should pick one up if you haven't tried it. You're gonna totally be amazed. Let's just be real here for a second. You can get irritation, ingrown hairs, bumps, redness, all kinds of not attractive things that we wanna hide away from. So this is gonna fix all your problems, I promise. Okay, and then once you have those legs all shaved, hydrated, smooth, I love to use the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs in Tan. So I know there's some mixed reviews out there about this guy. Never used the spray can one, never had a good experience with that. But this Airbrush Legs, what do they call it? Leg makeup is amazing. So honestly, what I've always done is I mix it with my cocoa butter lotion. I put a pump of cocoa butter lotion in my hand and only a dot of this because I don't need very much. But I know the KKW leg makeup is amazing. I'm sure it is. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks amazing and I'm down for it. But it is always sold out. And if you needed a good dope, I have a feeling this isn't too bad. I've used this for years. Like I said, a tiny bit of it goes a long way, and it does a really good job at smoothing your legs, making it look like you have pantyhose on, hiding all of your stubble or pores or little dots you get on your legs, even after they're shaved. This just does an amazing job covering up everything you want to cover, and a little goes a long way. It also says water resistant, but let me tell you, this is like waterproof. I have never had an issue of it getting on my dresses or anything like that, and I never have it rinse off until I use soap. I mean, I wouldn't go wearing it to a pool party and jump in the pool and expect it to stay on the whole day, but when rinsing it off, it actually takes a little effort to get it off. So this, again, is the Sally Hansen. This is their leg makeup, and I use it in tan. They do have a bunch of different colors, and I actually saw that they now make travel sizes too. So if you just wanted to try it, you could get a travel size, but you're gonna love it. Last but certainly not least is my Estee Lauder DAYWEAR Matte Moisturizer. I feel like this is something that I should have tried years ago. I knew about it, I knew it existed, but I never broke down, bought one, and tried it. And let me tell you, I am so happy that I did. So this, like I said, is a matte moisturizer. So for my oily girls out there, this is gonna give you, I've read different things, but at least up to 8 hours of oil control. And what's so cool about that is this is a moisturizer that you apply directly onto your skin, and it's gonna control your oil throughout the day under your makeup. So your makeup's gonna look better, last even longer. But the difference I feel like between a matte moisturizer and a matte primer is that this isn't gonna leave your skin looking dull. It's not gonna completely dry it out to where you're just matte and have no glow to your skin, I guess is the best way to say it. But this is still gonna be hydrating, so you're gonna have that smooth, glowy, beautiful finish, but keep the excess oil at bay, if that makes sense. But it is like a light gel consistency. It's really lightweight. It absorbs into your skin immediately. The cool thing is that it actually feels cooling when you first put it on. So in the morning, I love to use it because it kind of, I feel like it tightens and wakes up my skin. Feels like cooling and refreshing. My hand feels so cold right now. It also smells so good. So I know that this DAYWEAR line is known for their cucumber essence or cucumber extract that is in this. It smells so, so good. And so the cucumber smell, the cooling, all of it together just makes it like the best wake up morning moisturizer. It's also going to have an antioxidant protectant in it to protect your skin when you're out at the beach or out in the sun and you need that protection from everything that they call environmental stressors on your skin. But it lived up to the hype. I know it has like 5 stars on everything that I've read, but I do love it. It was totally worth it. Oily girls, if you need a moisturizer, it's bomb. Well, that is it for my Summer Lovin' must-have list. If you guys have some must-have summertime products, let me know in the comments down below. I love learning tips and tricks from you guys. I love reading your comments both here on YouTube and on Instagram and talking with you. If you're not friends with me on Instagram, you can find that handle down in that little comment section down below as well. And if you're new here, I would love for you to click that little subscribe button if you liked this video, and also make sure you hit the little bell icon so that you can get a notification every time a new video goes live. But I love and appreciate you guys so much. I have so much fun talking with you, connecting with you here on YouTube, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.